Another question. Why do you support Sara Duterte's presidency for the two guys?
Sino muna?
Well,
Yeah.
mukha ako lang yung sasagot niyan.
Hindi, ako na mauna. Ako, I don't support Sara because magnanakaw siya, tamad, lakwachera, lustay, may sayad. Diba?
Hindi, ang tanong is, why do you support it?
Hindi, doon nga ako sa kabila eh. I don't.
So in other words, galit ka sa magnanakaw.
Sa lahat ng sinabi ko, eto lang, Attorney Clint. Trump put us in this position because he's crazy and unhinged. Pag si Sarah ang nanalo, we won't have stability. We won't have stability. She'll also be crazy. She can
Explain, bakit?
foreign relations, domestic policy, by impulse ang gagawin niya. Kung pikon siya, kung galit siya, kung emotional siya, kung ano yung feel niya, yun ang gagawin niya. So walang rhyme or reason sa mga magiging policies niya. She's gonna be more vindictive. Tingnan mo yung mga DDS, anong pinagsasabi sa aming mga kakamping? Maghanda na kayo, tatakbo si Sara. Gantihan mo yan, Sara. Balikan mo yan sa 2028.
I mean, that's what the people
vindictive.
want.
That's people like you, not people like me.
You know, it's a sad commentary, if I might say so. Sad commentary of the people's intelligence. Pero mong kay Sara Duterte ka kakampi, may sayang nga. May sayang nga. May sayang nga.
There's another question. Why do you support Sara Duterte's presidency for the two guys?
Sino muna?